So here's how we can reset iPad and start over. So let me explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more so you don't miss the videos and tutorials like this one. Anyways, depends on what exactly you want to do, but if you open up the settings and go to the general section, at the bottom you have the transfer or reset iPad menu, and if you tap on erase all content and settings, you will essentially wipe the iPad clean. It means that every single piece of content, like the photos, files, apps, everything will be gone. Your Apple ID will be signed out, as well as the activation log will be turned off if you proceed with this. So after that, your iPad will essentially be as a brand new one where you can sign in and essentially start over if that's the thing that you are going after. There are some exceptions to this because, of course, some people want to start over, but perhaps not lose all of their data. And in that case, it would make sense to set up at least some sort of backup. When you go to your settings menu and at the top of the list, find the profile and go to iCloud, you can see all of the different things which might be synced to the cloud. A lot of people back up their photos in here, so you can see I can enable sync this iPad and all of my photos will be backed up to the iCloud, assuming I have enough storage available. But that would mean that if you wanted to technically start over, you would not lose access to all of your photos. Everything else would be like you would be starting from scratch in other places, but photos would be backed up. Or some other things might be in here as well, like notes or messages, right? So depends on how exactly you want to proceed, but these are the options that we have. I really hope that I could help you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in other future tutorials and videos like this one.